Hey guys, how are you? So this is Catherine from Parliament AI, and today we're going to be talking about Gemini. So what is Gemini? So Gemini basically, it's a Google's powerful AI assistant. It's designed to help you work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. So if you've used AI tools before, Gemini takes it to the next level by combining advanced reasoning, creativity, and deep integration with Google's ecosystem. So let's break it down. So Gemini is Google's AI model that can understand text, images, code, and even complex instructions. So it's built to assist with writing, research, brainstorming, summarizing, coding, and many more. So it's like, smart digital assistant, but you are more advanced and deeply connected to your daily tools because um, Gemini is very known for its key features wherein you can actually connect your Google Calendar, your Gmail, your Google Sheets, Google Docs, your um, Google Task also, and Google Notes. So there, because that's I'd say like one of its most powerful features that we can think of. But yeah. So how do we actually set it up? So first of all, you have to make sure that you sign up from Gemini, right? And then once you sign up, you click connect to Google. So you click the Google account that you're gonna use, which is for my case is this one, right? So once that's done, you go to settings, and then you have to make sure that the smart features is on. So you click settings, you click general, and then you can like try to find smart, right? And then this is the smart feature, so make sure it's on. It should be click blue mark check. You also click this one, and then make sure that you save. So yeah, that's just a part there. Make sure that you have that saved. And then once that's done, then your Gemini is already connected to your apps in Google. But just a note that my account is just the free version of Gemini. So we are just trying to explore the free version of Gemini. So we have the Google AI Plus. So there are some features that probably Gemini has, but we cannot access the stuff at the moment because we are only in free version. But let's have a look at the free version. So for free version, we have three options, right? For answering. So we have the fast, we have the thinking, and we have pro. So usually I use fast, but for some cases wherein I want to give Gemini more time to like think, so it can give me like a better answer, I would use thinking. But for a very complex situations, like for coding, sometimes you would have to go to pro. But yeah, usually I just go with fast because most oftentimes I would just need an answer very quickly, especially if I am on my phone. So let's see what are the tools that Gemini has. So it has create image. It also has this canvas. It has this deep research, create music. This is something new, and then guided learning as well. So those are some of the things that you can explore from Gemini. And then uh, you can also upload files. You can add directly from your Google Drive, and then you can also add photos. So what this Gemini does. So as I've mentioned, you can connect it to your Google apps, right? So let's say, for instance, you want to add it to your reminder. So can you add to my reminder to pick up the laundry at 4 p.m. Let's see what it does. Right. So it added it to the Google task. Let's see if it's possible to like add it to my Google Calendar. I know there's probably restrictions with using of the app because I am currently just using the free version, but let's see. Okay. It's just added it into the Google Task, but it's not adding it to like the Google Calendar. Okay, that's interesting. So let's try and see if it allows us to like, explore our own Gmail account. Can you check? my last email regarding Shakabee. Let's try that and see what it does. Right. So as you can see in here, it gives us like details, and then when you click the link in here, you're gonna be redirected to the email itself, which is really great, especially if you're trying to like find something. Um, and you can also leave like a voice note, because sometimes it would be easier to like explain it in a voice note rather than like typing it, especially if you are doing something else, like you're walking on the street, you're running, you're currently exercising. So, yeah, that's something that is very useful, right? And mind you, creating the image for ChatGPT, I mean, for Gemini, is much faster than ChatGPT if you compare it. I actually, I personally like creating image Gemini on Gemini rather than on ChatGPT. But yeah, let's see the comparison for the subscriptions that it offers. Okay, so for Google AI Plus, this is what we got. So we can also have an access to like calendar in Google Meet also. And then for the Google AI Pro, this is what we can have. And then the storage, look at this one, 2 terabyte storage. And then for the Google AI Ultra, this is what we can get, right? And then you have also the YouTube Premium individual plan. And then this is what I mentioned. You can connect it to like Gmail, Google Docs, Google Vids, Google Sheets. So you can, integrate Gemini into your docs, into your slides also, like when you create presentations, and then as well as the Google Sheets. So you no longer need to like, you know, put those codes and all that stuff into your sheet. It would you can just automatically ask ChatGPT about it. I mean Gemini about it. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it for Gemini. If you like a video like this, probably we can explore other AI tools on the next video. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.